Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to predict if MSFT stock will really soar in 2025. Microsoft's stock performance has been a topic of interest for many investors, and with good reason. The tech giant has been making significant strides in innovation and market expansion. But what does the future hold for MSFT, especially with the ever-changing landscape of technology and global economics? Microsoft faces stiff competition from other tech behemoths like Google, Amazon, and Apple. These companies are also investing heavily in AI, cloud computing, and other emerging technologies that Microsoft is keen on dominating. Moreover, economic factors such as inflation, interest rates, and global market trends can significantly impact MSFT's stock performance. The company's ability to adapt to these challenges will be crucial. For instance, Microsoft's cloud business, Azure, has been growing rapidly, but it still lags behind Amazon Web Services. Additionally, Microsoft's recent forays into AI and machine learning have shown promise, but it's still early days. Global economic uncertainty can also affect consumer and business spending, which in turn impacts Microsoft's revenue. Microsoft's gaming business, for example, has been a bright spot, but it's also an area where the company faces intense competition from Sony and Nintendo. The company's recent acquisitions and partnerships have been strategic moves to bolster its position in the market. However, the integration of these new businesses will be critical to Microsoft's future success. Exploring key areas that could influence MSFT's stock trajectory leading up to 2025, we see that Microsoft's innovations, particularly in AI and cloud computing, are critical. The company's market strategies, such as its focus on gaming and enterprise services, will also play a significant role. Furthermore, Microsoft's financial health, including its cash reserves and debt management, will be essential in determining its stock performance. The company's recent financial reports have been mixed, with some investors expressing concerns about its revenue growth. However, Microsoft's commitment to investing in emerging technologies and its strong brand loyalty are positive indicators. Another crucial factor is the company's ability to navigate regulatory challenges, particularly in areas like data privacy and antitrust laws. Expert predictions and analysis suggest that MSFT stock could see significant growth in 2025, driven by its strong position in cloud computing and AI. Some analysts predict that Microsoft's stock could reach new highs, driven by its innovative products and services. However, others caution that the company's challenges, particularly in the gaming and enterprise markets, could impact its stock performance. In terms of compelling arguments, Microsoft's dominance in the enterprise market and its growing presence in emerging technologies make a strong case for its stock growth. Additionally, the company's strong financials and commitment to innovation provide a solid foundation for future success. In summary, the potential for MSFT stock to soar in 2025 hinges on several factors, including its innovations, market strategies, and financial health. We'll be keeping a close eye on these areas to see how they unfold. What do you think about MSFT's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more investment analysis and stock predictions, be sure to check out my other videos.